Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to get started with Steam. Well, to do that, visit the official Steam website, which is store.steampowered.com, and click on the Install Steam button at the upper right corner. Then follow the on-screen instructions to download the Steam installer. Once downloaded, run the installer to install the Steam client on your computer. Open the Steam client and click on the Create a New Account option. Fill in the required information including your email address, desired username, and password. Then verify your email address by following the link sent to your email from Steam. Once your account is set up, you can access the Steam store through the client. Browse through the vast selection of games, software, and other content available for purchase or free download. To make purchases on Steam, you'll need to add a payment method. Go to Account Details and select Add a Payment Method. Then enter your credit card information or use other available payment options like PayPal. As you find games you're interested in, you can add them to your wish list for future reference. Then purchased and downloaded games will appear in your Steam library accessible from the client. In your Steam library, you'll see a list of your games. Click on a game to install it on your computer. Once installed, you can launch the game directly from your Steam library. Steam allows you to connect with friends and join multiplayer games. Add friends by searching for their usernames. Access the friends list to see who's online, invite friends to games, and communicate through chat. Join Steam community group based on your interests. Engage in discussions, share content, and stay updated on gaming news. Customize your Steam profile with a profile picture, background, and other personalized options. Steam regularly hosts sales events with discounted prices on a wide range of games. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to save on your favorite titles. Familiarize yourself with Steam settings to customize your gaming experience. You can adjust privacy settings, configure in-game overlays, and more. And that's how to get started with Steam. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe, and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.